What have you learned about technologies from the process of constructing this product? We learned a lot about technologies throughout the project. First of all, we learned how important checking back the footage on the spot was. We didn't do this with the GoPro, and when we did in class, it was too late. The footage was shaky and unfocused. We learned the technology we worked with wasn't perfect. We filmed with two cameras, the Canon 550D and the GoPro Hero. We only used the GoPro for one shot in the flashback, which was instantly deleted. Everything else was filmed with the Canon 550D. The camera has 18.7 megapixels and records in 1080p. We tried out 3 different lenses, but ended up using the 18 to 50mm lens as it gave us the smoothest image and gave us the most suitable field of view. Luckily, the Canon camera was easier to use, and we saw how the image looked every time we changed the lens. After we finished all the filming, we did the editing on an iMac. We chose to edit on a Mac because we was going to do most of the editing in our media class anyway, so it only made sense to use this. We used an editing program called Final Cut Pro, as it was easy to learn and had some powerful tools. None of us had much experience with editing videos, so we didn't know just how much you can do in a short amount of time. We had about 3 weeks to edit the film, so we had to learn the software fast. Even though we made the film flow really well and had some good effects, I feel like we didn't even scratch the surface of the program. I think if we had a couple more weeks to finish the project, we could find more features and make our film even better. We also used a Samsung Galaxy S5 to record the 2 voiceovers during the lesson, but we had to go out of the classroom and into a quiet place as there was too much noise in our class. One of the biggest pieces of technology we used was the internet, which we used every day throughout the project. We used the internet to research examples of other films from the same genre. We researched production and distribution companies. And we also used a website called SurveyMonkey when planning to find out what young people would like to see in our film. We then planned the basic structure of the film, and then slowly filled in the blanks by ourselves. The survey helped us choose the subgenre of the film and how the film would roll out. So we then compared how easy it was to get information from the internet and how easy it was to get information from books or from other people. And we saw a massive difference. On the internet we could get information really fast and really easily wherever we were.